Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do I Choose the Right General Contractor for My Project? All right, folks, gather round as we tackle a subject that's just about as important as picking the right BBQ recipe for the family cookout. Yep, we're talking about choosing the right general contractor, a decision that can make or break your remodeling dream. Now, let's be honest, finding the perfect contractor is a bit like dating. You have to sift through the candidates, ask the right questions, and hope for that magical connection where they can finish your sentences, or at least your tile lines. First, start with references. Good contractors will have past clients singing their praises louder than a gospel choir on Sunday morning. These references, they're not just for show, they're the hidden gems that tell you whether your potential contractor is as reliable as their handshake or more like a slippery fish out of water. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Credentials matter. Check for proper licensing and insurance. These aren't just fancy pieces of paper to hang on the wall. They ensure your contractor operates by the book and you're not left with an unexpected plot twist in your renovation saga. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Trust your gut. If you get even a whiff of shady business in your early conversations, bail out faster than a cat from a water spray. Transparency and clear communication from the get-go are non-negotiable. Now let's talk bids. Sure, a low bid might catch your eye, but like a diet pill commercial, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Seek detailed quotes that break down every cost. A quality contractor provides clarity, not just numbers pulled from thin air. It's crucial to compare apples to apples. Schedule a face-to-face meeting. A contractor worth their salt will be happy to drop by, take a deep dive into your vision, and share insights from their toolbox of knowledge. It's an opportunity to test their enthusiasm and ensure they're genuinely excited about helping to transform your space. A good contractor acts as your partner, guiding you toward the successful realization of your dreams. With the right one, you'll create a more perfect or perfectly imperfect masterpiece to call home. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.